Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states, Jurej was worshipping in his hermitage. Meanwhile, his mother came. Humayd says that Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu described her in the way Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam described her to him when his mother called upon him, how she had placed her palm on her bows. She then raised her head to him and called him, saying, O Jurej, I am your mother. Talk to me. Jurej was performing the prayer at that time. So he said to himself, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, my mother is on one side and my prayer is on the other side. He then opted for the prayer, so the mother went back. Then she came again and said, O Jurej, I am your mother. Talk to me. Jurej said to himself, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, my mother is on one side and my prayer is on the other side. He then again opted for the prayer. His mother thereupon said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is Jurej and he is my son. I want to talk to him. But he refuses. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he must not die until he sees the faces of whores. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if she had made invocation that he must be subjected to trials, he would have definitely indulged in trials. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there was a shepherd of fat-tailed sheep who would say in Jurej's hermitage, one day a woman came from the settlement. That shepherd practiced adultery with her. She got pregnant and gave birth to a son. She was asked, whose son is this? She replied, it is son of the owner of that hermitage. The people thereupon brought their spades and axes and called him. Jurej was then performing the prayer, so he did not talk to them. So the people started demolishing that hermitage. When Jurej witnessed it, he came down to them. The people said to him, look, what is this woman saying? Jurej smiled and then stroked the baby's head and said, who is your father? He replied, my father is the shepherd of the fat-tailed sheep. When the people heard this reply, they said, we have torn your hermitage down. So we rebuilt a hermitage of gold and silver in compensation. Jurej said, no, but you should make it only of clay as it was before. Saying it, he again went up. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6455.